Got to get some tunes going, of course. Let's see how these work. Does this thing work? Is that too loud? Turn it down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Maybe down to here. Yeah, it's fine. Hey, Digital Drummer, what's up? It's been a while. Or as some people might say, it's been a hot minute. About to write some Python, even though that thing lies and says I'm going to write some Go. I'm writing Go another time. Tomorrow, or Thursday, or Monday. What's today? I don't know. Shit. Yeah. Let's see here. All right. There we go. All right. I got my monitor up here. I'm gonna make my head small so we can see the code. Ha! Thank you for the sub, good sir. Stand up! Nice. So, on that note, I'm gonna make my head itty bitty here. Get my face out of the way. It's all big and in the way all the time. We got us some Viking metal going on here. Terminal. Check out this. I'm using Zish now. Notice. And also, ta-da! Mac OS. I have retired Linux for the time being, just for some stuffs. But yeah, now like if I go in here, you'll notice I rename my machine via my Zish script, and then if I go in here to a repo and bounce into, actually let's see here, what am I doing? I'm doing, it's Python, cd, Python, gen, data gen, better bots, data gen, there we go. All right, that's what I want to get into. PyCharm. Is that gonna work now? Oh, the command line. You're here when things are working. Excellent. So there we go. I'm using PyCharm to write this stuff. This is a little bit of a, yeah, I don't, oh jeez. It's the interpreter. I don't really want to see the, don't pop up every time. I guess I could just install R and be done with it. But anyway, right now I got some code here. And what I'm doing with that code is two things right off the bat. I'm using the DataStax Apollo database, which is pretty easy to use. I'm using the Python driver to connect to that database and pull a version. So I'll show you what that is real quick. What happened to me? Well, there were some holidays in November, then some holidays in December, and I think I went to sleep and then I woke up and it was 2020. So that's basically what happened. Yeah, I fell asleep, woke up, same shit, different year. Here we are. Let's see. So, yeah, I'm using the DataStax Apollo database. I got two databases in here. One of them's called Better Bots, and that's what we're going to be taking a peek into. And in here, when you want to connect, you need to get this secure connection bundle right here, which I don't know why I clicked on it again. I don't need it. But what you do, per the docs here, you connect to the Apollo database with these credentials here. Create a database, did that. And then use the drivers, here we are. And then there's a Python one, Python driver, and that's what I'm using right now. So basically did this, pip install Cassandra driver. Did I do that? I don't know. But anyway, got my environment set up, using this stuff to connect and auth, etc. With this, you're not passing in, I mean, you pass in a username and password, but a lot of the security credentialing is done for you, which is pretty cool. So if we go back over to, oh, I totally closed it entirely. Didn't really want to do that. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's just showing up over here. Anyway, if we go in here, and then do a Python, is it version? Yeah. So I'm on 3.7.3. And then if I do which Python, am I doing the right one? Yeah, so we see here this is the correct directory. BetterBots, DataGen, environment, then Python. So all my environment stuff is in here for Python. So if you want to follow along, that's how I set it up. I use virtual environments to set it up. PyEnv for my local setup. If you want more details about that, you can go out to my composite code blog, and I do the local system one in this blog entry, and then the virtual environments one with this blog entry, where I go through all the specific steps. So that's right there on the front. Okay, so we've got that running, and in this first bit here, the connection's made, and then I just pull from system.local table the release version of the database, and then I spit out 10 names. Let's just do 3 using the faker. So that'll print out the name after printing these 3 things. But let's see what we get. So we get Kendra Ware at this fake address with this fake state, city, and zip code. Here's some lorem ipsum text. Even though it looks like them son artists in industry quite work. Billion become 10 value and break. Office 1 task received. Mission 6 during Mr. Statement. Next sense imagine. It's interesting when you just randomly construct sentences. And then the 3 names, which we do there. So now we're all caught up with what I have in this repo. And eventually, yeah, I'm going to make this repo. When I get this one done, this one is going to be available out on the GitHubs under the thing that myself and some other team members are putting together. So stay tuned. If you're using Python, it's going to be some good stuff. And what I want to do here, though, is I have a set of database tables. So let's go back over here. We're gonna go into Dev Studio. We're gonna go into Dev Studio. Oh, there we go. Just have to click correctly, I guess. And then let's open up a table. We'll call this BB Data Munging. No. Rendering. And then let's see, let's do select something from, if I hit control space, I get a list of all the tables that are in here. Right? So let's go with, I was doing names. So actually let's do orders. Just see what we got in there. Which is probably, yeah, nothing. Okay. So let's do address ID. Yeah, we need to change up some stuff in orders. So actually, let's do that. Let's change the orders table. Alter table. Excuse me. Alter table orders. All right, so CQL alter table. There we go. That'll work. Okay, so you want to alter table, add. We want to drop column list. Okay, so we'll do drop. Burn it. What are the column names? Column names. I want to get rid of address ID and customer ID. Cust ID and address ID. Can I do that? Probably not. Let's do alter table orders drop address ID. Let's end that statement. End that statement and run it. And then we should get something new. Customer name, description, price. Yes. So I want to keep ID and I want to keep product ID. Yeah, so let's do customer name, description, price, product name. Yeah, let's do product name. Whoops. Product, oops. Prod ID. Sell price. And we'll do the get the ID too. Yeah, it looks good. Let's do those. Will that give me a query that it still just says no data. That's fine though. That's what we want. So we altered those two. We're gonna add one called address. Make it a text field. And then we want to do, what's the other one? I want to do, oh yeah, customer. Oh, customer name's in there, so address is really all we need there. Okay, so that's successful. So we altered our table, got it the way we get it shaped the way we want it now. I wanted to denormalize it a little bit so that I can put sample data in it, pertinent to the sample data that I want. All right, let's do insert into, get some data in here, orders, values, this stuff. Whoops. Now I'm just gonna put one row in here for now, which will, let's do here, customer name, address, description, price, prod name, prod ID, sell price, ID. What am I missing here? So let's see. 6, 7, and then UID, I think. Okay, 3, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Let's do John Smith, and then we'll do his address is 420 America Lane, New York, New York. It's a New York zip code, just to make it some silliness about it being realistic. Let's do this one. Which one is this one? Yeah, that looks good. That's Manhattan. Let's learn about this one. Oh, that's by Hell's Kitchen in the High Line. That's cool. Let's do this one. What's this one? World Trade Center. I don't want to do another one. Let's do 18. Yeah, it's the Hell's Kitchen one. By the High Line. All right, and then so that's address, description. So that's customer name, description. No special instructions. Then the price was, let's do $5.99.99. Then, oh wait, yeah, it should be, it's a float, so $5.99.99. Product name. Super strong robot arm. product ID. Let's do that. And then here is going to be the sell price was going to be, we sold it to him for $559.99, like so. Let's get out of there. Let's run that. What? Yeah. Data return. So now if we do this, yeah. All right. So that seems like a screen grab worth of stuff, right? Let me grab that actually. I do want to grab it. There we go. Let's put my screenshots for later. So if I do this though, let's take this and see if I'm missing any columns. And nope, looks like I got all of them. That is cool. Because that's the index ID. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually get rid of this bit. We have that one piece now. We can go back to here for reference whenever we're doing stuff. And I want to run the generator now. But before that, let's do one more table. We want to get into the prods table. So select asterisk from products. Yeah. Okay. So what do we got in there? Oh, there's stuff in here. Ah, I should have used one of those things. Oh, the IDs are all the same. That's not good. Eh. So this prod ID should be this. I wonder if I can do... No, of course it doesn't do that. So let's see if I can do a update. Update. CQL update. Well. So yeah, we'll update orders. Set thing where, okay. Where prod, no wait, ID is equal to this one. Nope, I don't know what that even is. There? Yeah, I got it in there now. Okay. Set prod ID to, actually let's see, yeah, we'll do it drill arms. Oh, but they're all the IDs are broken. So there's that thing again. We'll do drill arms here. Actually, we need to do a bunch of updates. So let's do update products. Something. Anyway, let's actually go and look at my project where this stuff is. So I believe I have that in here. Yeah. So why do I? Oh, I sure do. Look at that. That is dumb. Let's do this though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are UIDs. They just have, you know, different stuff. Yeah, that'll get it done. But let's do drop. Just drop the whole bloody table. Drop. Better bots dot or products. And we're gonna put products right back. So take that. Yeah, that should work. So let's grab all of this. Go over here. We'll put all that in there. Huh? No alternative. Drop. Oh, drop table. Get rid of that though for when I do this in the future. Yeah. All right, that should work. And it applied. Okay. So now this. Yeah, there we go. Now we have unique identifier things. So we're gonna get buying some drill arms. We're gonna copy that, and then let's put select asterisk from orders. Come on, whatever. Ah. Oh, it's because I unselected key spaces. Orders, and I'm using the wrong character. All right, so that is now updated. We can change the prod ID. So let's do that. Update orders where ID is equal to that one. Set prod ID equals the drill arms. Fussing about primary key ID found in where clause. Oh yeah. So what's kitchen keys are missing? Where ID equals that. Oh, and shoot, what was the do you do this? And I think so. Product name equals, what did I put? Super strong robot arms. I can do that. Boom. Data alter. Is there a delete row? I just want to do a delete row anyway. Delete row. Heck, let's do a, here we go. Sometimes you just, get out the big guns. Let's add, should have done this before, I guess. I'm gonna add that. And then we're going to do insert into those fields. So let's do ID, prod ID. Oh yeah, let's fix this. So we're going to do, so product name is in there. That we're going to name, oh, customer name is in there already. Only we wanted to add address. now we get prod address, prod name, description, price, sell price, customer name, into values here. Oh, into I did this. Bots dot orders, this stuff. Values 1. Actually, let's get a UID. UID generator. Yeah, there we go. Just give me it. Yeah, generate some UIDs. There we go. So use that one, and then the address 420 America Lane, New York. That's New York. The zip code is what? 18010, something like that, or 1018. We got a description, no special directions. Price is, let's see, what is the price? We're gonna go with the drill arm, so that's $21.99.99. And then we got the sale price is gonna be $20.99.99. And then customer name. Oh, I didn't add. I skipped prod name over here, so we'll put prod name in here as drill arms. That's customer name. John Smith. Okay. All right, let's see if that'll work. Drop table better. It's dot orders. What is this fussing about? I need a. Get rid of this one for now, I think. We just have products. Not even gonna list customers. I'm not even gonna have one for address right now. Just these two like this. Oops. Oh shoot, I still want to get the product ID though. Prod ID UID. Dad, burn it. That's alright, we're set up to do that again in like 5 seconds. So there we go, close that out. Oh, yeah, because I didn't put in address. Prod ID. Address and before prod name. So here I need this. All right, and then let's run that. What? ID, address, prod ID. Yeah, that's the right thing. Drill arms. Let's do this. Kind of makes it easier to read, you know, a little bit. Oh, values. Boom. Syntax. I tell you, syntax. Always some weird syntax thing. There, my prices, and then John Smith, and boom. Yeah? Yeah? Haha! Sweet. Slick as can be. Alright. Finally. So that's the updated one. And whatever. And we got one column in there, which will provide a great example. I'm going to copy this for what we want to do in Python. But one thing we need to do first is we need to get a query of all this stuff. So let's do ID, name, price, created, description. Boom. Got that? Yeah. Let's do better bots.products. Oops. All right. Yeah? I think so. Make sure I got that copied. Bring it back over here. I don't really need the version anymore, so let's do this. Let's put this one in here. And we'll just pull one. Make sure that query works for us here. And what's it do? Okay, it shows us the ID. So, how do we get a query using Python with all the little bits? So .1. So let's do CQL Python Cassandra query. I believe it's like, what can you do? Here we go, some stuff. Limit 1, but then if you want to do, yeah. Right, don't all return 1. Is that the latest? Yeah, that is the latest. Okay. Let's do this. Let's bounce out to here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Function descriptor. Installation getting started. Oh, import tuple factory. Let's do that. Let's do from tuple factory. Do that. Is that doing that? No, it doesn't do that. Okay. So let's do that and then connect session.row factory. Session.row factory equals tuple factory. Do it like that. Rows session.execute. Rows session.execute this. Well, one quant's fine. That's what that is. Yeah, don't get that mistaken. This is returning multiple rows, but it's only doing a quorum of 1. It's checking against one node, and once it verifies against one node, it validates that piece of data, and it lets it come back. So it's not waiting around for 3 nodes, or 2 nodes, or 6, or however many to determine a quorum. It's just getting the data as fast as possible. So then, okay, print rows. Really? I don't understand what's going on with Python half the time. All right, what do we got here? Yeah, there we go. That's what we wanted. So there is, oh look, it identifies UUID with a UID in front of it. But so what is this? This is ID, name, price, okay, decimal. Or, yeah, decimal. I thought it was a float. Date, time. And then description. So text data with the Python driver is not identified in that. That's interesting. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. So what we want to do is, oh, and it's only showing. Is that, can I do this in this particular case? Session.execute. Session.execute. Why? They did it. Why can't I do it? Oh, print rows. Like that? Maybe that's. Oh, yeah. Okay. So that makes sense. Deprecating result set indexing support be moved in 4.0. Consider using result set.1 to get a single row. I don't want a single row. Oh, or yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah, so it gives me 1. Oh, derp. All right, let's get a Python for each loop. And get out of here. So this for row in rows, let's print row. Can I do that? Maybe. Gonna find out. Is not subscriptable. Let's just do this. Oh, derp. Wrong things. Row. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's what I was talking about. So now that we have this data, we can do stuff with it. Like, for instance, let's print out the specific piece that I want. What I want to do is take the day-to-day life has followed. Welcome to the pit, day-to-day life. Glad to see you here. We're just writing some Python, generating some data for a database table that I've created. Getting some of the pieces of it put together right now. Oh, I like the yep. Oh, nice, nice. It's good to lurk. You know, you don't always have to say shit to me. I mean, it is kind of my job to do all the talking, right? Since I got the audio thing and stuff. So, so what I need to do, because what I'm trying to do is, this is kind of like my key table. I want to key off of this table to put orders in based off of the things that people can order in this products table. And in this products table, we have very cool. Okay, so this is going to be helpful. It's going to end up in a repo too. That's going to be publicly available, probably within the next week or so. But so okay, I got a little bit of fake data down there, and I want to get that fake data, and I want to generate it and put it into the table, but I want it related to these tables. So I want these tables used, but I want them random orders, right? Like I just want a bunch of general orders of these, what is it, nine robot parts, right? So let's see here. How can the things that I will need to make the order per that table that we were looking at earlier, here, this table. So what we'll need from this table is this ID and this description, right? So the product name and the product ID and the price. We'll need the price to fill in our orders table. So on that, let's get those 3 specific fields, or figure out how to get those specific fields. So this is row. Let's see if we can do this, like row. Again, I don't know Python, I don't know what I'm doing. So this is going to be 0. That should be the ID, right? And then I wrote one insert statement. I'm going to do a lot more inserting when this thing does it, but I want this to do it. I just inserted one row so I could look at the columns in this in the interface that I was using. This thing, right? Mac focus, come on. There it is. In this thing, I just wanted to see these columns, because if you do select asterisks in the studio, it doesn't show you, it just says it ran successfully, but it doesn't show you the columns that are in that table. So I went ahead and inserted a value. Plus I kind of wanted to become a little more familiar with what's in there. And by process, I now have a successful insert statement, which I've copied and I'm going to use over here, which I guess I could do this. Whoops. Oh, come on. Sometimes things just don't like me. Copy. And, come on. Paste. Paste. No paste? There's paste. Okay. So there's our insert statement. I'm just going to comment it out, keep it down there. Then we can look at it really easy when we get to that point. But let's see here. I'm going to do this. We'll see if we can't do some of that stuff. No, invalid syntax. So is it comma? Yeah, it's probably it. So I'm just guessing at syntax. I'm super not familiar with Python. There we go. I am loving this. I'm just like kind of guessing which parts of Python do what. Kind of going off of a little bit of Ruby knowledge. And so far, it's kind of 1-to-1. All right, so we got 0 and 2. That was the price. I don't remember the rest of them now. Row. Let's do that. I deleted my parens. What? Ran it anyway? What? Oh, come on. What do you mean invalid syntax? That's not invalid syntax. That's what I just had. Do I even need the parens? Well, I guess I do. Oh, do I have to do that? No? Alright, that is the end of statement. Do you know the syntax for Python there? How do you print, multiple. Let's do Python, print, multiple variables. How to print values. Oh, this is, why is this on frickin' Quora? Yeah, let's see, look here. Well, that's what I'm doing. Sort of. Oh, I know what I can do. I can do this. And do they do double quotes? Yeah, let's do that. And then something string. Is it really the? Oh, it's the same stuff as Go. S. I don't know if S is the right one. If the name scores higher, 3 helps. Oh, he's just trying to do that. What? Oh, pass it as a tuple. Pass it as a dictionary. What? Use new string style formatting. Yeah. Let's do that. So we'll do format. Oh, we need one more parens. So let's go with row. I guess row is fine. Let's actually do that like this. We do print type of. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm trying to do. Yeah, so let's see here. So I think this should give me 2 things, right? So let's do row 0 and row 1. And let's add one. Row 2, right? Or now put it in the things 2. And then score for I don't need that. Obviously, let's just do this, and this. Yay. Nah, it's stupid. Okay, so we got the ID, like here, and then base task CPU, and then price, $8.99. Is that actually the 3 things we need? I think it is. Yeah, sweet. Okay. So that's all we need there. So let's put that into. Actually, what should we put it into? Oh, I know what. We can do data generation, orders per item type. That's what I'm going to do. And we'll do a random number of orders, and that'll give us a random number of orders per product type. So that's actually much better. So let's do this. We'll keep everything in this loop. And do. Let's just get it cleaned up here. Python is hella slow. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Give me 1 second. I got to go check the door. I'll be back in way less than 5 seconds here. All right. Oh, my bad. That was super loud. But, okay, the door has delivered me a beverage, so I'm set now. And also, look at there. Boom. Moonstruck dark chocolate espresso bean. Oh, that's so cool. Check it out. So if you know about Portland, it's got the little St. John's bridge right here, which is super rad. Yeah, the magical door. I have a very rad magical door. I'm going to show you this, though, just because it's St. John's Bridge, Portland. This sucker is badass. So Goes across right there. Yeah, yeah, let's look at this. Yeah, images. Look at that gorgeous thing. Amazing bridge. There it is. That's a good shot of it. Yeah, and so down here on one side of it is this really nice park, as you can see here, right? My big giant head in the way. There it is, night from the river. There's part of the park. People have like all sorts of get-togethers and weddings and all that kind of stuff at that bridge. So that's what it's named after. That chocolate bar is named after that. And St. John's, I think, is an autonomous. No, it's a neighborhood in Portland. Similar to like where I live here in Ballard, which is actually Seattle, but I call it Ballard anyway, because Ballard used to be an actual city next to Seattle. But then at some point, some people made some bad decisions, and it ended up getting, Seattle got the advantageous thing of annexing Ballard. So Ballard is now just a neighborhood in Seattle, just like St. John's is a neighborhood in Portland. Oh, damn. Oh, no shit. Fremont and Maple Leaf. Fremont's very cool. I was there earlier. I ate lunch there. I haven't been to Maple Leaf, but maybe 1 or 2 times. Oh, man. That was really good chocolate. It's super strong, though. Hot damn. So, we'll get back to it in just a second. You gotta get some stuff happening here. You gotta stay hydrated because programming is a contact sport, right? So, keep caffeinated. See, my other little thing is dead already. But remember also to... Damn it, my trash can's full. But remember, don't over-caffeinate, or then you'll not sleep or something, I hear. I don't know, I sleep all the time. Caffeine doesn't really do nothing. It does help deal with the ADHD, though. Speaking of ADHD, we're now getting back on track. So let's do that. And as per usual, getting back on track. My head needs to be smaller. There we go. Now we can see what the hell we're trying to do. All right. So, let's see here. Oh, yeah, we did that. See, this is that task switching cost right now. I had to get some stuff to keep going. I got to stay hydrated. But now I already forgot what I was doing because my attention span lasts about 3 seconds. But in light of being semi-intelligent, I have accrued what we were doing again. Yeah, exactly. Squirrel, squirrel, woo! Speaking of, chocolate. So, all right. So we have our 3 values. They're printing out right here. So we're going to go through each of these and generate some data. So let's do, can I use the same? Let's look at the docs. Insert. Oh, what? Batch statement. That's awesome. Maybe we should try that. Let's get fancy and do that, huh? You want to? Yeah. Oops. Oh, why is nothing copying for me today? Come on, copy. There we go. So, we're going through each one of these. So we'll start the batch up here. Insert orders, order equals session dot prepare. Oh wait, is that gonna break everything? Like, do I need a separate session for the inserts than the other thing? Oh, no, this will be, yeah, because it's assigned it to a variable, so it'll be a different type of session. Okay, I think this will work. So we're going to do this. I need to prepare this. Of course, I've got it all on different lines. So let's do this. Let's do, oh, wow, did I do it that perfectly? Almost. All right, cool. So that goes down there. And this, is there an internet thing that takes white space out of stuff? Take white space out of my string. No, I just want a web page that does it. Just do that? No. Okay. Oh, I know what. Oh, yeah. Let's do code. This is ridiculous, but it just seems. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it anyway. So there, and then, what is it? Is it this? No, it's this. Whoa! I deleted it. How do you do replace? Control R? Oh, Control Shift R? Something Shift R? Ah! Why is this always stupid? They're all different. Edit, replace, Shift F? Oh. Winky thingy F. What? Shut up. Oh, there we go. Why don't... Okay. I don't... Edit. Replace. Yes, that's what I want. So 2 spaces. Replace with 1. And then that should have done it, right? Yeah. Oh, I still got some more to do. And that stupid thing. What is this? It's doohickey mabopper. Shift. No. Oh, doohickey mabopper and F. There we go. All right. So space, 1 space, all. Really? Okay, that's as good as I'm getting it. There we go. Alright, so we got this in here. Values, question mark, okay. So this one will be, oh, what was it? It's just question mark, okay. So like, oh wow, it mutated my freaking UIDs. So do question mark, another question mark. Okay, so question mark, that's 6, 7. How many need? We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Shit. 8. There we go. Okay. Alright. Sweet. So got down with consistency level. Quorum, sure that's fine. Cause yeah. And then users to insert. Yep, that's okay, that's where this comes in. Because it's not users to insert, it's Yeah, rows and let's do this. Let's call this products. There we go. Now our code actually looks like it makes sense. Because row is just not, that doesn't mean anything. Product. Okay. And here we're going to do, oh, it's so cool. That's batch add, and then you can say, yeah, row. Oh, is this? Oh wait, we need to do the generation here though. Yeah, because it's batch dot add. Oh, we'll do another loop in there. So yeah, we want to do batch dot add here, add. But we need to do. Oh yeah, let's generate. Let's do a random number. Fake dot random number. No. Do Python something. Python in the print statement to product 2. Oh yeah, good catch. I'll do that in just a second. So Python random number between. Yeah, sure, that's what we want to do. And here needs to be, as you pointed out, product part there, product part there, product part there. And then sure this looks good. Print. Yes, okay, import random. That's good enough for me. Oh, whoops, I wanted the code though. Most efficient random number in Python. That's whatever. Oh, interesting. No, I definitely want to do that other thing. Python random number between 0 and 100. This looks fine. Really? Seed ones. Range 0 to 10, random. Seems like a lot of work. Isn't there just something that you can call the thing? Python random number. Yes, that's what I want. Boom. Okay, so let's get over here then. Now that we have that, where's it? Oh, there we are. This needs to go up at the top. Let's do that. And then okay, we got to do our batch add. Let's just run this though. I want to see that run. Okay, that looks broken. Line 22. Oh, I did it. Whoops. Yeah, I really goofed that up. Let's do that. There. This batch, I wonder if that should just be one time, I think. What's this fussing about this? Yes, let's do that. What did that pull in? Batch statement 2%. Okay. There, whatever. And then, does that require import too? Ooh, this? Oh, that's a good question. Consisting level form here. Should be a consistency level value to be used for operations in the batch. So it was saying pull it from import this name, import from this. Yeah, I don't know. Batch statement is part of a query. That seems a little weird. Like it. What about the other ones? Simple statement, batch statement. Yeah, I'm just trying to do that. Okay. Okay, so we're back in business. There's my random numbers, but I want it to be out of, let's say 10,000, right? Did that just make it that much slower? Seriously, let's do this. Let's see what that does. Is that gonna be really slow? Oh, it's about the same amount. I wonder what's making it so slow. I mean, there's only one select. Maybe I'm just... Maybe shit's laggy for me right now, huh? Maybe. Oh, I just realized with the new dashboard, I'm not used to figuring out, like, where the hell are the viewers? Oh, there y'all are. I see where it is. And then there's chat. Oh, there's a button for a 60-second ad. I'm not going to click that, though. I don't remember how that works yet. I'll dork something up if I do that, probably. Okay, so. More chocolate. Fuel the pyres. Yeah, I like this. Okay, there will be a lot of orders. Yeah, a lot of orders. Let's go this high. Let's see how long that... Actually, let's do small number. In case our engine is really slow. So then we want to do, oh yeah, Python for loop. Yeah, for x in range 0 to 3. What's that? Oh, I didn't. That's not what I'm going to do. Let's do this. Number equals range 100. Rand number. That's how you do variables in Python, right? So 0 to rand number. So this is first and rand is that ampersand? No, percent set. Percent V. I don't remember backwards. do freaking stuff. What is that? Oh yeah, okay. So then we got X, and then we got rand number, right? I don't know, just print it out. So yeah, X is counting up. Oh, and this one is, yeah. Okay, that's exactly what we want to do. So that's the random number, and that's that. Okay. So here, actually, let's take this. Put it here. Actually, let's put it right between before that. Some random numbers selected, and then here we want to do batch dot add insert order. And then we have a zillion things in here, so eight elements in here. And then let's do a print. And we're going to print out all this stuff. Oh, do that first. On this, actually, we won't need this here because, well, keep it there for now. And then faker. Need faker up here. And then so first thing is ID. Oh, let's do a Python faker UID. And then let's just see about Python UUID. Come on. Oh, is it just UUID something? Mutable UUID per spec, call UUID or UUID4 kind of thing. Creates a UUID computing based on the computing network address. Safe UUID. Let's see about that. Print UUID dot safe. UID. All right, come on. Double text, bytes. Ah, there we go. So UID, let's do UUID4. Oh, what did I do, Cassandra? Comment that out for a second. Make these a little bit smaller too. Yep, okay, that gave us that. So bring that back. And it'll be UID.UID4. And then address is, let's do fake.address. Oh, come on. Oh, whoops, fake.address. And fake. Oh, prod ID. So we want to do product. That'll be the first bit. And then product 1. And then description is something else. So let's just do some text, which is what? Oh, fake.text. Fake.text. And then price, which will be product 3. Right, 0, 1, no, 2. And then sell price is product. Let's do product minus range 50 to 100 off. Okay, that sounds fun. And then let's that. So we got sell price and the customer name. That would be fake dot name. Yeah. So then let's take all of these. I just want to look at them. Let's do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to comment this out real quick and then run that sucker. Method object is not subscriptable. Oh, let's do that. Discount equals range. So how do they? I just killed that thing.
Good.
Here we go. Okay, I already did that. Where's my RAND number thing? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, let's do, yeah. Python random number between this is some work, and 10 and 19 exclusively will never select 20. Oh. I halfway did that a minute ago. Okay. Let's do that and then say 201 and we'll do 50 Yeah, what is this fussing up? Oh, too much white space, I guess. Oh, and you need white space after the commas. Python! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So, alright, got all that. Why did it put this on another line? That doesn't make any sense. There we go. Can I do this here? Product minus... Oh, actually, let's do this. Product is 2. Or the right. Whoops. Then minus discount. Sold price. Can I do that? If discount is less than product 2, then this, right? Derp. Oh, and then a thing. Okay. Do that. So if I wanted to, well, okay, that's good enough for now. So name, sell price. Let's call it sell price. Change this to that. Can I do that? That. Okay, that's a weird Python thing that like drives me nuts. So, like, what happens if that's not, like, I don't know if it's used or anything until I've run the, well, okay, whatever. The increment of messy stuff. All right, so that looks good. Oh, look, see, a discount. Is it all the same? Oh yeah, because we're looking at the same. Okay, so like this month, it's this discount or something. Oh, but this one like didn't even have a record. Or am I looking at something weird? Meh. This is cool. So let's go with that. Boom. Then take that out. Oh, we need to put this here though. And let's call this attempting to insert this data. And then we're going to do a, or let's say will attempt to batch insert this data, right? Yep. And then way down here, after all of this, we do session.execute batch. Right? I did it again.
Oh wait, I have one more question.
There we go. Let's execute batch. So my batch is here. With this, why did you put it on a different line again? Oh, is it because it goes past the this other line thing right here, I guess. So, okay. Anyway, it's all good. Then session. Import UID file. Consider import this. Python has some strange characteristics. All right, so I think I'm gonna run it. See what we get in our database. snap. Did that work? Let's get that out of there. That worked. You ready? This is gonna be the test. If this runs, we'll have gotten all those orders in based on actual products. Oh my goodness, we have 3 orders. No, 1 to 40, 1 to... What? Oh, hi. Excuse me while I'm dumb. So 45 orders. 1 to... Only 40. Oh, because we didn't up it. Let's get this sucker up. Let's do some. Let's see how fast this batch is for 100 orders. And boom! That was pretty quick. Huh? So it's probably like how many orders now? I don't even know. Let's run and find out. 251 orders. So let's really bump this sucker. Let's go 1,000 each. So there's 9 products, so somewhere around 1,000 each. So that could get us up there a little bit. Let's do that. Boom. Oh yeah, it's a little bit slower. You actually see the stuff happening now. Let's run it and see what happens. Because we can run this while this is all happening. Where's my... Oh, there it is. What? Come on. Come on. Is the... Oh. The batch broke. What? What? Code 2200. Say what? Maybe I don't know how to use batch. That could very well be the problem too. So that worked. So we're at 558. So why not? Let's get it higher then. Let's go 200. $58, 1486. Okay. Let's jump to 600. Nope, it hits on that one. Weird. Stack response, future result. Line 4000 da. It's literally that's causing the problem. Is it too big? Well, let's do 400. Does 400 reliably work? There's a Sean Combs. I think that's a famous person. Funny to generate that. So that, okay. 1491. Let's put it back down to 100. And then let's do 4x and range 0 to 100, or let's do 10. And we'll take all of this and bump it under that sucker. Yeah, what do you think? Can I do that? What's wrong? Oh, do we need that? Yeah, probably need that. I want this. I don't like that. Here. Oh, that doesn't even need to be there anymore. Right? Yeah. let's do this. Oh, that stopped way too fast. Was it 1493? Still 1493. Okay, I don't even know if this was a good idea. Well, let's do this. And then here, take all these, put them down here. Ready, trailing space, okay, and then run. $14.93. All right, how many we got now? Why are we stuck at $14.93? What is going on? We do big sale, 5,000. What? Too long. 190 down. Oh. What? Is that? Why is that causing a problem? Fill paragraph. What's that do? Fill paragraph. Fill paragraph. Ignore. Like this. So this says PEP 8. Line too long. 190, 220 characters. Oh, that's for the whole. Yeah. Whatever. Maybe I can do this. Boom. Is that gonna work? I'm like stuck at 1493. Is that what's up? Let's do this. Let's do drop. Orders. Yeah, let's do that. And then drop table header bots.orders. And then create table. So run that. And we got select asterisk from betterbots.orders. What? Oh. We should have nothing. Right? Okay. And then this. Okay, let's do this. Sell price. Oh, that might have been causing an error too. Sell price equals 0. this is that. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's see. Come on. Nine results. And then what we got now? 9 plus what? 17. Okay. So let's change our random number to more than 3. Let's change it back to 100. Okay, run that quorum. We got 570 now. So let's put this up to 600. No, let's put it down to 400 again. We'll try it. All right, what are we gonna get? What are we going to get? It's running. Ran. 1488. Let's run it again. Let's see what we get here. What the hell? So, that is weird. So, okay, so that ran 1489, 1489. What the hell? JSON? Oh, that's neat. Yeah, I don't really want to do that. Just fine. It's your ID. Or no, let's do prod. Name. Customer. Oops. Customer. Name. Address. Description. Price. Sell price. What else is over here? Oh, is that it? Okay. Sell price 0. Wow, so somehow it generated $21.99.99. I don't know if I buy that. Oh, because oh yeah, okay, so let's do else. Can I do that? And then sell price equals product. Oh wait, I should do being a dummy. Sell price equals product. That's what it is. Duh. There we go. Oh, 1560. Oh, is the batch lagging for some type of reason? Weird. So there's another 0 price. A lot of 0 prices. Here, let's do this again. Let's create the orders. Take the orders. And then drop table orders. If that works. What? Oh, ha! Weird. Super weird. Price. Hey, where's my sell price? I didn't have sell price on here. Price. Price. What? Oh. Oh, this is the wrong thing. No, 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 no. Put it back. Ah, damn it. What? No, come on. Yeah, okay. So now that I'm in the right table. Kerp. Okay, that's correct. Oh, and you know what? While I'm at it, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna call this. Excuse me. Schema. No, that's not what I'm doing. Arbiter. Oh, I guess I could have clicked that earlier to look at my columns because it'll show you what's in there. Anyway, that's not here nor there. Oh, I want to do this and then export this. Oh, I guess I already named it that, so that's fine. Oh, no, get out of here. Okay. All right, so that is orders. Then this is this thing with no data return. So I'm go back over here to my data generator. And how many I got? I have 8.9 billion. Oh. Let's do 400 again. I'm just gonna set that running. Go back over here. Run this. I got 44 so far. And it should be over here doing magic. No, it broke. Great. Alright, so just do frickin' 200 then. So I still don't get this invalid query. Error from server. 2200 message match. Let's see if we can get something out of that. Doesn't look like a super. Oh, what? Oh. Oh, okay. So okay, yes, actually let's do that thing that I was doing earlier then. 4 batches. Batch runs in range of 0 to 100. Do all of this. Right here, 44. Yep, 279. Okay. And it says it finished, so that's probably more than 279, I would suspect. Let's try 1,000 here. $449. All right, so that's going up. This is running. Oh, there's the prices doing like I wanted to. So some will be discounted, some of them won't. Some will be big discounts, some won't. Well, it gives us some good data to work with, though. Give the fine drop pour. What great random data and shit. It's hilarious. All right. 449. Come on. Let some of the batches complete. So what happens if I just want to turn that into an insert statement, though? Just insert the data when it's right then. No more batch. I mean, the batch statement is cool. And there it is. But let's just run a query. Unprepared query? What does that mean? So that would be... Let's do this. Let's see if there's a nice example out there. Cassandra, SQL insert Python example. Oh, neat. Yeah, that's basically what I want to do right there. But I think this is still, did it do all that? 449, still at 449. Whatever, dude, that thingy. Yeah. By the way, see you later, day-to-day life. Catch the VOD. I'll be back on again, streaming soon. Gonna put a CLI together and go later this week, and also more Python. We're gonna play around with Glitch this week too. Got a bunch of shit lined up, so tune back in later. It's gonna be some good stuff. On that note, we got the batches working. They kind of, sort of break, I guess. I can't tell what's really happening right there. I guess eventually these numbers will go up. Eventually. Oh, see, 691. I don't get this. It's like randomness. But yeah, we'll work on that more another time. Weird magic stuff. Maybe on the next one we'll get some support on the line, and support can tell me how to fix this shit. That's always a good thing to do. Call them support. Support's badass. Anyway, I'm lucky because, you know, since I work at DataStax, I can just call up support, and I just call them. It's real nice. Anyway, so this stuff's working. Got that little bit of confusion there. We'll figure that out at some point. Maybe that number will go up. Like I said, we'll get it figured out. But seriously, follow or subscribe. Wait, is that the right buttons on here? What am I supposed to say? Shit. The internet's so complicated, y'all. I tell ya. Anyway, subscribe, follow, all that kind of stuff. Y'all have a good one. kick some ass, take some names, and I will catch y'all next time.